Well, gang, welcome to my new beastie. That's right, it's another Scrambler. I know. I just got rid of the other one, the silver and green, right after I'd souped it up and everything. You know what? I got that bike with the intention of kind of working on it, tinkering on it, and then selling it. And it was a good flip. I managed to get a good price for it. And when I sold it, I was able to buy my son his first car. And so everything was good. But about a month after I sold that Triumph, and get this, I know the guy I sold it to, you guys know this, I kind of missed it. I ain't gonna lie, I missed it. And I wanted that I don't know, just it's everything that you like about a Bonneville and then some other little rugged element to it. There's no way this is actual Scrambler bike unless you're Ernie Vigil, you know, going out and doing that Scrambled Me video. Put a link in there. But I mean, because that he tears around this thing like it's a little, you know, Kawasaki 250 or something. But unless you're talented like that, yeah, this isn't really a trail bike, but it's just every bit as fun as a Bonneville. But then it's just got this little edge to it. I don't understand what it is. I don't understand why, but I wanted one. And turns out the fella a long time ago that sold me the Enfield was selling this bike. And that's how I came across it. And I knew if it had been in his hands, it was going to be in top shape. So it's a 2010, had just about, not quite 4,000 miles on it when I picked it up. And only has a few mods to it. It had, I think it had an aftermarket exhaust, and that's about it. That didn't even remove the secondary air intake system, so it likes to fart on decel. I don't know if you could hear that. But I'll be taking care of those things myself. And she's black. She's not silver and green. So I'm having a little fun up here on Mount Lemmon. This is my first chance to really get out and spank her. It took me a while to get it all legal and everything. Yeah, but here she is. Wow. Like I said, it's everything that a Bonneville is, but then just a little bit more. You know, it's light and flickable, but it's got some grunt, and I haven't even souped it up yet, and it feels pretty strong. I don't think it's as quick as my old carbureted one, as that old 2007. It's not there yet, but it will be. Oh, the other mod I think that fella had done to it was he put the taller sprocket on it because they lived up in Phoenix, and up in Phoenix, you know, you get everywhere you get around by freeway. So he really liked that taller sprocket, which I don't have that issue in Tucson. Everything is surface roads. So being that everything is surface roads, I'm going to go back to the stock. I'm going to go back to the stock sprocket. Stock sprocket, kind of like Hot Pockets. I'm being silly. Why? Because I'm having fun. Anyway, enjoyed the scenery. I'll stop up here in a little bit and on beautiful Mount Lemmon. It's been getting great rain the last several weeks. That's great for turning everything green, as you can see, but it's also bad because it pushes a lot of these rocks will wiggle loose and fall on the road, and they've had a lot of warning signs up. Watch for rocks, so I'm watching for them. I've seen a lot of sand where the water has deposited it coming across the road, so it's a careful ride today, but still fun nonetheless. I'll pull off somewhere pretty and do a quick walk around of this bike, talk about my future plans. the Triumph out on the mountain, and it's beautiful. Just it's such a fun bike, and it's beautiful up here. It's maybe 70 degrees right now. It's unbelievable. I'm just sitting here enjoying being outside, being in some cool weather, and the smell of pine, and of course the Triumph Scrambler. It's such a fun bike.